This is an art piece by Adam Riches. He's from the UK, one of my favorite artists. I bought it off Adam 3 years ago, and it's still in the envelope. I decided that I'm gonna open it once Julian gets out of prison. Assange has made a huge contribution to journalism and freedom of the press. And he's done that by exposing governments and corporates, and he's shed light on issues ranging from military operations to political corruption. However, his pursuit of truth has come with the great personal cost. He spent years in the Ecuadorian embassy in London, and he was arrested in 2019 and endured extremely harsh conditions. His release yesterday was a celebration, but the case shows that there's a huge ongoing struggle for press freedom and the personal sacrifices made by those who dare to challenge the powerful entities. Today we'll celebrate, but there's a lot of work to do, and I just wanted to show you guys this amazing drawing. This is going to go to our office. Join me in celebration, and let's see what the drawing looks like. Thank you, Adam, and thank you, Julian Assange, for your contribution, and we will keep supporting you.